Hello, this is April Getz with the Acting House of Healing, and our new character this week is Frida, Freedom Flowing River, and her father's name is Gushing Gorge River, and her mother's name is Teeny Tinkle Tinkle Sprinkle River. We also have a surprise character, Traitor, this week that is evil. This is all about communication, how you communicate, and how you're able to take in communication. It's really quite extraordinary. I look forward to hearing from you after you hear the wrap up. Hello, I'm Gushing Gorge, Freedom Flowing Rivers father, and I've always believed that when you ask for information, that I give it to you fully. So, you know what they say. You know what they say. Be careful what you ask for. Yeah. Anyway, it was a situation when she was working in her degree to get her BA degree to help others realize things about themselves. And I have been in psychology for many years, so I was able to provide some information for her. And actually it was information that was directly impacted Freedom River flowing. Now, sometimes people have said that it can be a little bit much. But let me demonstrate. First of all, you get the information. There it is. It's flowing, and then you keep asking. You keep asking. And I can't help it. I give it all. Some people feel it's too much. We had a discussion after when she was working with one of her clients. And apparently this client of hers shut down. I had to go to Tina, my wife, ask her, she's a sprinkler. I don't do that. So Freedom Flowing River has got her hands full. But you know what? I did the best I could.
Hi, I am Tiny Teeny Sprinkles River, and I am Frida Flowing River's mother. And what I do is I sprinkle in little bits of information. Sometimes people don't hear me, they don't see me, but that's okay. Because, I'm living with Gushing Gorge, and he kind of takes over. Sometimes I wonder if I could maybe do a little bit more. Maybe, raise my voice a little bit more. Maybe I would be seen. But I know what I'm doing is I'm sprinkling. And a lot of plants need a little bit of sprinkling. And it always works. It all kind of works together. I love her. her Freedom Flowing River. You know why? Because she's learned to take what she learned from me and create balance. I couldn't do it. I always do the best I can do. And she's made me stronger. Thank you, Freedom Flowing River. I think I found my voice through you. Thank you.
Hi, I am the secret alien that comes out when you tap into something I will not respond. Nope. You do not come to this territory. You know why? You're out. I will not discuss this. I will not let you into this. You do not touch this area. Do you understand? Get out. You no longer have a place in my life. You're out. Do you understand? You're out. Hi there, my name is Freedom Flowing River, and I've finally fell into the right place in good balanced communication. As you can see, my father was just overwhelming, and my mother just never gave enough. It was hard to come to a balance. I think the biggest one was that surprise attack. Now, I know April is going to share with you about that, but I was able to really take a look at that and not shy away. I got that one to open up. I got that one to reveal what that button was. It is a delicate thing, but you know what? Then you're not in bondage anymore by that. Woo! Surprise! That was a surprise attack. It was an attack. However, I am free and flowing, and I wish the best for you. Bye for now. Gushing Gorge. We've all had those people in our lives that give us too much information, or we've been on the receiving end where you shut down. Just a point here is if you shut down and you're able to open that up with the person that you're communicating with, then that's a place to grow. But if the person shuts you out and shuts you down and doesn't talk about it, then move on. And if there's somebody that's in your life that just tinkles in a little bit of information, they don't really want to, give you too much, move on. Support them, love them, but move on. Because that is not going to give you the richness and the nourishment that you need to have a real balanced, free-flowing communication. Oh my goodness. Freedom Flowing River now knows that she is able to set her boundaries for those people that she wants in her life that actually are not afraid to be real.